ServiceNow is an essential component within the setup of the business processes that you can achieve in order to obtain better interactions with external and internal stakeholders.
So do you know that moment that you install this app or use this app on your phone and you just think of, okay, wow, this is just so easy, this really makes my life or day better? So that's what we're trying to aim for with ServiceNow.
It's very mature. Over the last 10 years it has grown. But if you look to the issues, most of the time the issues are related to organizational structures, to actually that there is no governance and there are no real stakeholders that are actually sponsoring the projects.
So the first question that you have to answer when you want to digitalize your processes is, what do you want to digitalize, why do you want to, and how? And to answer those questions, you first have to know where are the struggles in our current process and what do we want to solve? Because then you know what kind of business value you can actually add by digitalizing.
We have seen in recent years the importance of digitalizing the internal processes in a more effective way. This is due to global events that happened recently, but also to the rise of the environmental, social and governance programs, which needs to be taken into account. When you want to optimize your workflows, you need to take into account the changement aspect. There will be new ways of interacting, which should lead to better ways of interacting, and therefore adopt instead of adapt is a very important philosophy that needs to be engaged when dealing with the new and improved interactions.
The first question that you have to ask yourself is, what do I want to achieve with those optimized workflows? So is it that you want to improve your end user satisfaction, or do you want to improve collaboration between teams? Or maybe you want to remove manual mistakes that happen now in the manual process.
If there is one reason why you should or could choose Fujitsu to implement ServiceNow as an application, it is certainly because of the business knowledge that we have gained through the years in every type of organization and also every type of sector.
Well, Fujitsu has both technical consultants and business consultants, and those business consultants can translate the business needs of a customer in technical solutions.
So let's say your HR department wants to digitalize and improve their services. So over the past year, we have done about 5 HR projects for the public sector here. And we bring all that experience to every new project that we do. So we know the HR processes, we know how to improve those HR processes, but we also know the technology, how to support that.
Fujitsu is a very strong company which can deal with the implementation of very complex business processes within the workflow tool of ServiceNow.
So as a final remark, I would like to make that often there is a lot of resistance when you hear the word digitalization or platform implementation. Take this as an opportunity instead to look at the people and the processes and the technology to actually support that change. Do not digitalize just for the sake of digitalization, but really look at the added value for your company.
Fujitsu wants to grow further with ServiceNow, and we want to be a specialist in all the different modules.